Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so that reading may answer your questions or clear some doubts you may have in your circumstances, so you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Virgos, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. Virgos, today we have 7 of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles in reverse, and 5 of Wands. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you have a lot of dreams, plans for your future. You are thinking about the next opportunities that you need to take up, and you are thinking within yourself what will work or what will be the good decision for your work circumstance, or it may be important choices you are making for your life, for your relationship. So you are thinking about your circumstance, assessing your situation, and you're making the right choices today. So this may be a very important, crucial time for you for some decisions in your work or in your personal life. So you are thinking about this person, thinking about this relationship, what needs to be done and what should be the next step. But you are having some arguments, something is not working well in this connection. Maybe you may have some misunderstandings between you both, and you may feel that there are some obstacles or some stressful circumstances you need to overcome. Situation may be overwhelming you, maybe making you quite emotional, but you are determined and you want to make the best of the situation. You want to try even more harder to find that balance in this relationship, trying to make this relationship a harmonious one, balanced one. So you're making efforts on your side. You are moving towards understanding. You want this relationship to move towards a better understanding, and you are someone who is dedicated. So whatever decisions you have made, you are trying to stand by this relationship. And today this person you love, they are making a decision, they are making a firm choice today. They may reveal their decision over a message, or what to say, through email. So something is coming, some important message is what I see for you all today. It's reaching you. It may be whether this person wants this connection or not. Something life changing is happening today in your circumstances, Virgos. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So the problems in this relationship may be due to lack of trust. Maybe this person has on you or you have on this person. So if you want a harmonious relationship, you should build it on trust, faith and truth. If that is lacking, then this relationship may not work for you, Virgos. So if you want a balanced connection, you must try to understand this person in a very truthful way. So that is the energy here with these cards. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. We have one card. It's Temperance. So in your work circumstances, you would have faced a lot of difficulties, but today you know what will work or what will be the right thing to do. So you are balancing, you are finding the right way to handle your circumstances, and you're overcoming all troubles you are facing in your career circumstance, Virgos. And this may be true even for your relationship. If you set your mind, you are going to see beautiful changes in your relationship also, Virgos. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this second card aside. So for those who chose this card, the Snow Queen, loyalty. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe you are missing someone, missing a friend, or it may be the person you love. You both have been very close and you are missing the friendship you had, the time you spent with each other. And today you feel that this person has vanished from your life forever and they do not care for you at all, but it is only a temporary situation. This person is also definitely thinking of you and they are also coming towards you. Maybe they have left you for some reason, maybe some obsession they had or some troubles in their life. So it was some inevitable circumstances that pulled them away from you, but you are still thinking of them just like you. Even this person is still thinking of you, and you need to let this magic work in your life. So you need to wait, maybe send out your positive intentions, send out your friendly feelings of love and trust towards this person. And even this person is waiting for the right opportunity to come and meet you, and they are definitely coming, and maybe not today but very soon. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So let us see what is the second card for those who chose this second card, to the sea. So with this card in your relationship, It just means that you need to trust the way circumstances are unfolding, maybe the natural pattern of events in your life. There are points in a relationship where you, what to say, where you have to see where things are flowing, what is the direction. Not always you need to dictate what should happen or what should be the next step or what will be the future. So today you just need to let go of all that anxiety or stress or that interest to steer your relationship towards your goals or your expectations. Instead of all that, you just have to wait and see where your mutual goals and desires steer this ship of this relationship. When you do that, you are going to see where the mutual journey leads this connection, and you need to allow trust and faith to be your guide today in this connection. So that is the energy here. So whatever is bound to happen will unfold in a beautiful way if you just trust in your circumstances, the natural flow of events. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.